Want to talk about the challenge. I'm trying out there for persons who want to get into the copy and paste program. You can reach out to me. So Sunday, Thursday in Trinidad and Tobago. Today is the 16th of March 2025, right? So I'm here to be realistic with you all. It's a difficult task for persons knowing about the financial markets to trade. I have a strategy here utilizing a copy and paste program that I provide. I am seeing positive results, guys. So we're gonna put it to the test this week on a small account. So a couple things I want to point out. Going in with the small account, it's super risky, right? So the first thing is the leverage on the account. It's going to be 1 to 1,000 with the broker, so I'm leveraging the entire $300 on the trade ideas, right? So secondly, the trades is swing trades for experienced traders out there. The pips is 60 to 70 pips stop loss. So with that $300 in the account, I truly catering for three stop losses on three trade ideas, right? Different trade ideas. So I'll show you in a bit in the chart what I'm talking about in terms of the risk and to the reward as well, right? So really excited, guys. I'm putting out a challenge out there. $300, 2 weeks. We're gonna look for some results in 2 weeks time. So this would be a dedicated $300 account for the copy and paste program. No other trading ideas going on that, and that's what you ought to do if you're taking the service from us. I would recommend 1,000 and above because of the volume of trades coming in, but we're gonna take a super risk and start with a $300 account to see how it's going, right? So that's how much I'm willing to risk. You understand? So that's what you ought to tell yourself as well. You're coming into the financial markets, you always spend money that you could afford to risk, right? The strategy and the whole idea about the forex copy paste signal is to give you back your time. We do the work, send the ideas, send the updates the following day. You just execute the ideas. So the person now coming into the forex, you had to take the crash course. It's only $500. It's a 6 to 7 session. We could go all the way up to 10 if the case be. We had to see how fast you know how the speed now you guys would be learning as well. So I don't want to rush anything, but I want to get straight to the point. I want to go to the charts. The whole idea is to execute trading ideas, right, properly. So let's talk some stuff here, guys. So going in with the $300, really excited to start this challenge, and persons wanting to join it as well, you could always reach out to me. We could talk about it. So we're gonna start it officially tomorrow. So what I'm gonna pull up here is let me, before I go into some information here, let me just pull up the copy and paste information. So it's over 4 years experience to getting tuned in with. High probability setups doesn't mean to say all will be take profit levels. Might have 1, 2, 3 stop losses hit, but you want to get back into the game, right? So everybody like less risk to more reward. That's the whole idea. TP1, that's where the risk comes in. TP2 is more or less kind of break even stage with the stop loss on profit, and TP3 is where the money flows. That's when you start making money with take profit 3, right? So in just 2 weeks, guys, I'm reaching out to everybody out there. Come in, test it out, give me a report after the 2 week period, right? So we looking at daily updates. That's for me. I will be coming in with the alerts every day. You're not doing anything with the trades. You're taking the trade idea and not even bringing anything to no stop loss. You're leaving it. That's the way I strategize this copy paste program, right? That's pretty much it with that. So I want to go straight into the let me see. Let me go into the trading. All right, let's go to look at some of the previous results we had, right? Trading at a lot size of 0.02, 0.03 in this account. So keep in mind, this is a $1,500 and above account, right? This is 1,500 USDT we're talking about. So I'm going to hit the calendar here, and I'm going to last week. right? Last week would start from the 10th, right? From the 10th all the way to the 14th. So it looked like we had some take profit levels at here as well. So overall, this would have been a profitable week, $35. Again, dedicated account only for the copy and paste program, right? You're not touching it. That's like how you do it to the bank. You make a deposit, you leave it for the year. And it's the same concept here. It's just in 2 weeks time, expect to see some results, right? So would I be 1%, guys? It's still good, because you all know how corporations is. They give you a certain small percent for 36 months, your money locked in, your money not locked in. That's why you take the crash course with me. I'll show you how to get in tune with your digital wallet, digital wallet to your broker or prop firm, and it's the same way out. It's the same way out, right? So here we go, guys. So I'm just looking at this to give you all an idea at the risk I'm taking with a $300 account, right? So you know, it's really exciting stuff. And this would be calculated from the 10th to the 16th, as you can see the dates here. And this is something I want to point out as well. Many forex traders out there, you ask them to give you a week report or 2 week report. Sometimes they don't have it because of the inconsistency of their trading with the lot sizes, right? This option is for long-term users, guys. You want to get results on a long-term basis, this is what you're looking for. I've been with a ton load of copy and paste programs in the past. You know, I've been in the forex market since 2019. Sometimes I encounter, I can give you some jokes, you know, sometimes the stop losses hit and these fellas saying that it went into the take profit levels. Sometimes I trade, they're so dread, I should say, Trinidad terms. Sometimes the trade loss, and when you look back in the channel for the trade, or you look for the trading idea, it disappear like it never was there. You know, all these are things, you know, in the past, but I have something here that I'm showing you. I'm seeing consistent results, right? It's not a risk-free opportunity. Always invest money that you could afford to lose, but it's the consistency behind it, guys. That's why I'm doing the training. That's why I'm doing the copy and paste program, because I've been realistic with people. Many organizations out there, you go to do training with them, there's a lot of money you had to spend. You don't make back that money, to be honest with you. I doing it for $500. I crash course straight to the point, one-on-one session right now, via Zoom, and you're good to go. You're good to go. That introduction, coming to the markets, learning how to execute ideas, right? Understanding pips and all these things with currency pairs, major, minor, cross, all these things like that. A lot of exciting stuff. So we're talking about this information here. Let we say I'm going in with the 300, right? And an example would be the Euro Chef. I want to pull up my calculator to show you something here. The Euro Chef hit the stop loss here, trading at 0.02. People reaching out to me and saying, boy, why you trading at 0.01? Are you real small money? Nobody going to believe this thing working? You understand? You all fail to realize you don't play with the markets. You don't play with your account. You understand? And you always have to think long term. If you think short term, you can make some money, yes. You can lose money quickly. You understand what I'm saying? So you have to play it. You have to play it proper, guys. You have to play it proper. Right? So we're looking at the Euro Chef. Look at these 3 trade ideas here. We're dealing with the stop loss idea, right? So this now is about 70 pip stop loss for the experienced traders. If you traded at 0.01, I close to $7 on one trade idea, one position. Right? We're talking about 3 positions open here. All my trade ideas in the copy and paste program is TP1, 2, and 3. Right? I tell people you leave the trade, you go about your business. Is it either you make a win or you make a loss? You leave it for me to update the following day. Right? And this look at showing already result for 1 week here. You understand what I said? So basically, right, it would have hit a stop loss. So if you had trade at 0.02 with a $300 account, let me pull up the calculator. Right, calculator up. That is $14 you lost. And that is not one position. That is by 3. That is $42 you lost on a $300 account. $250 balance. Remember, following day, our trading ideas to execute as well. So why you're doing that lot size in an account like this? looking to blow your account, margin call, you don't do it like that, guys. You have to have, I would say, I tell people do $1,000 if you could with the trading ideas, or even at 500 and above. It's still risky with the 500 too, but you can take a shot. We doing it as low as 300. We do not challenge. Everybody doing a challenge. I doing my challenge. You understand? If you have a 2,000 USDT account, this is where you need this copy and paste program, right? So let me talk. You're trading at 0.01. Back to the stop loss here. It wouldn't be $14. It would have been about $7 on an idea. 7 by 3 is $21. So we do 7 by 3, $21. You'll be lost on the 300. So you see the difference there? $279. Bam! Our next trade idea come out. It hit our stop loss. Let's see if you had any other stop loss at here. GBP JPY 0.02, like 40 pips. About $4 on an idea. But this one hit the TP1, it reversed and it hit the stop loss here, right? So like 4 and 4, $8. You would have lost $8 here. We're doing minus $8 here again. $287, right? I just calculate back that there again. So you have 300 minus $21 on your first trade, minus $8. You have $271 now. So you're back in the game. I shown you a week report here on how to properly do this thing. And I understand a lot of people they're asking questions. This is where you have to do your trading at 0.01 to minimize your risk on the account, right? Like we had other ideas sent out here. Watch out these USD CHF, right? TP1 hit, TP2 hit. Trade still open, you understand? It's still in profit. So that's going to show a little peek of what's happening in the market. On a pause right now, it's going to open in a couple of hours, right? So look at this look the GBP JPY. Look at a perfect example here. TP1 hit, boom, $4. TP2 $10 at 0.03. The account size could handle it. And TP3 $22, 70 pips secure. This whole trade is 110 pips, right? Real fire we talking about there, guys. Real good stuff. I'm gonna pull up the USD CHF trade idea. TP1 and 2 hit. That is 70 pips secure in the TP2. The TP3 is about 100 and something pips. Now this account here is monitoring all the trades, right? And this is above $1,500 you're looking at USDT. Consistently taken. We could do 0.02, 0.03 on this account, right? So I'm gonna pull up the USD CHF. Look at the thing, $20 in profits. You understand? And watch what this is right now. This thing not hit the TP2. We're leaving it for the TP3s with the money flow. What's our risk to reward there for the experienced traders? This is the trade ideas they want. You understand? What's our risk there to that reward? That's what we're talking about. So I'll give you a little sneak peek there. And on my time running short, I want to basically fund the account right away and have we prepared for tomorrow morning. And it's the real deal. We're going to challenge ourselves for 2 weeks with 300 USDT on the account, consistently at 0.01 on the trade idea. So if I pull up the same account and let me say I want to do that is from the 10th to the 16th. I want to do basically from, let me say, the 5th of March to yeah, like from the 5th all the way to the 16th, you're seeing consistent results here. Watch your lot sizes again, guys. Look at USD CAD, a perfect example. Stop loss hit, boom. That is 50 pips stop loss. So it's catering for 70 pips total. That is the risk we're doing on the ideas, right? So I don't want to stick too much. Let's look to fund the account and get started for our challenge this week. So very briefly, I'm going to show you how to fund the account. You go to your broker, reach out to me directly to get a link, because the interface is really awesome here with this broker. They show you how much you're risking in terms of money to your reward, right? So you're gonna hit deposit here, and this is how you're making a deposit. TRC20, right? Ensure that you've selected the correct. I understand. This is TRC20 we're looking to do. You're gonna copy the address here, and we're gonna send 300 from our Binance account to this account. So this is the Binance account. This is how you send money from your wallet to your broker as well. I'll give you a quick run through. You select the token here. You're gonna hit withdraw. Okay, you want to withdraw, send via crypto network. If you're going to input the address here, right, that's the address from the broker. The network, always make sure it's the right network. It's Tron TRC20. You're looking at there's a dollar fee here, so you want to put 301 because we want to get exact $300 into that account. You're going to hit withdraw. They're going to ask for some confirmation here, right, the address. Ensure the network is correct. Always check the characters last and first. NCETEW in my case. So we're going to hit confirm, and we had to enter the two-factor authenticator as an extra confirmation. So this is the screen that shows you it's processing. You're going to see it, the amount, how much is processing, and we're going to wait for confirmation. Alright, I'm not sure if you're seeing the screen. I got the email that the money was sent to receive it into the broker. So we're going to check it now. Alright, so we got it. It received the 16th of March. We tested out the broker as well, deposit and withdrawals. And here we go, guys. We could immediately go to the trading here, and the BTC is currently active. But we're not going to get in any trade. This account here would be dedicated for our copy and paste signals. So guys, reach out to me for some more information. Really excited with the copy and paste program. You know, and it would be on a 2 weeks basis. So for more information, you can touch base with me.